CBS 6 Sky Tracker, sponsored by Hometown Realty.
How beautiful is our city, especially when we're not dealing with dense fog and rain just pouring down. This is actually going to be a nice change from what we dealt with this weekend and yesterday. But remember, even though it's not currently raining, you see that shine on the roadways? Yeah, roadways are still damp, and we actually have standing water in other locations. So be careful as you are headed out. Don't get too confident just yet. Of course, Kristen will have those details where you can see that standing water coming up in just a few minutes. But here's what we do have. Of course, some lingering clouds edging its way out, and even still a few light showers down towards Gloucester. That's going to continue to edge down to our south, and it's going to be out of here, and you will have some drying taking place heading into the afternoon hours. But remember, we still are dealing with potential flooding, especially along the coast. So we have got a coastal flood advisory. This will stay with us until 10 o'clock this morning up and along the eastern extent. Look at this, going over into just south of Deltaville, Gloucester, continue to edge its way into Newport News. So if you are going to be traveling, please be on the lookout. We're talking about 1 to 3 feet above normal at high tide. Of course, we'll continue to keep you informed. Here's a look for you outside of our Millionaire Sky Cam. Still see a little bit of that sheen. You know it's wet outside, so if you're going to be getting in the grass, maybe with the pets, rain boots, best option out there. I know it's not raining now, but you will thank me later. Current temperature 38 degrees, but with those winds sustained at 13 miles per hour, it feels as if we're coming in at 30. And all of us have quite that chill because at a glance, doesn't seem so bad. The temperatures are in the upper 30s to low 40s, but winds continue to filter in out of the northwest, and that's some cool air in place, and it's also drying air as well. It's going to help dry things out heading into the next bit, but you have to deal with the chill. 30 right now in Richmond, along with the Tri-Cities and Emporia. 33 is what it feels like in Tappahannock, 36 in Charlottesville. Now, these winds will stay with us all day long, being sustained around 10 to 20 miles per hour, but as we head into tomorrow, winds will begin to decrease significantly. Today, those clouds are going to edge out of here. You're going to have some sunshine by the noon hour and continue to stay clear overnight. So clear skies, light winds tomorrow morning, back in the 30s. By tomorrow afternoon, highs will push back into the mid to upper 60s. Stunning day. But right as the sun begins to set, you're going to know those clouds filtering back in ahead of our next system. That's going to give us a slight chance for showers before sunrise on Thursday. Not a heavy amount, but it will beginning to change the way the winds are flowing and also bringing in some cooler air. 55 degrees today, 65 going into tomorrow. Thursday morning, just a little bit of rain. It's going to ease out, and then look at that, Robin Reba. Yeah, being spoiled is over. We're going to have winter-like temperatures pushing back into play, but it's seasonal. This is how it should actually feel.
Well, good. Glad to know we're back on